reflection on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way.
Move that for you to get my heart all in it, and I just wanna be with you tonight. Like please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style my U-part wig that I have on right now, and also how I style my curtain bangs. I just want to say sometimes my curtain bangs will come out like so good, and then other times they'll just come out a mess. So I'm praying that they come out like really good in this video. I don't want to embarrass myself. So my U-part wig that I have on right now is from AliPearl hair. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought this with my own money because I'm just like a U-part wig kind of girl. V-part wig, clip-ins, tape-ins, silk presses, sew-ins, like that's just more my vibe. I don't really like lace front wigs. I feel like they look very like fake, especially like with the screen door stuff. So if I could like, I've just always been into like extensions and like adding to my hair. So yeah, so got this from AliPearl, like I said, and I did get the 24-inch, but I did cut the ends a bit, as you can see, and put some layers in it just to make it look a little more like natural, I guess. So it came with a wig cap. I don't know why, because like you don't need this. It came with this melting band also. Again, didn't need it. Edge brush, definitely yes. So they did right with that one. So we are going to style this U-part wig. Right now it's like straight and it's not looking all that pretty to me, and I definitely want to put some like volume in it, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use my Baby Bliss Pro curling wand. This is the 1-inch, I believe, and I love this size.
My phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah.
Okay, so the back is done. It's curled, it looks really good. So I love to section off the front because the front is what's really important. So what I do is I'll take a section, right? So I curl away from my face like so. And I just keep doing the same thing until I'm done. Again, I'm praying that this comes out to my liking, because some days it'll look so good, and then some days it's like, what the actual hell.
Tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so.
Okay, so when I'm done, I usually like to just like go like this to really give like that vibe. Now for the other side.
I've been all in my phone, I got options.
Yes. All right, so I don't want it all like big like this. So after I'm done, I like to play with it to get it to my liking, like this. I'll do like a little something like that, and then I take a wide tooth comb and I literally just comb it out so the curls aren't so like tight. Oh, it looks so good, period. I just love to play around in it and get it to my liking. So I've had this U-part wig for like a minute now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've had it for like, I would say, I bought it like spring. So it's been like months of having it and it's lasted so well. I always dye it jet black to match my real hair. The hair dye that I use, it's the L'Oreal Technique Excellence High Color in the color Black Onyx. Love this hair dye. It's my favorite ever. And this is what we've got, but we're not done yet because I gotta do my edges, duh. For my edges, I usually use the Style Factor Edge Booster. I love this edge control, so like I'll just put like a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, so you don't even need like a lot. So I literally just take like a little bit and I'll just put it like, you know, on my little edges or whatever. I don't really need it, so I'll just usually put like a little bit. I don't want to mess up what I just did, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Then I like to go in with this Giovanni hair mist just for like a little shine. I just use a little bit because with this as well, a little bit goes a long way also, so I just like to spray a little bit, and that's literally all you need. And we are done. It looks so good. This is literally like my look. This is literally like my signature look these days. Jet black hair, middle part, curtain bangs, light waves. It's just like literally my vibe these days, and I'm obsessed with it. It looks so pretty. I love it so much. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. The link to the U Part wig will be down below, but like I said, I did layer it. I did dye it jet black, so it's not gonna come like this, obviously. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.